All right, so we've had a lot of people buying our sterile grain jars with our liquid culture syringes lately, so I'm going to show you how to do an open air inoculation. So some of the materials you're going to want your sterile grain jar, you're going to want a paper towel soaked in isopropyl alcohol, you're going to want your liquid culture syringe, a lighter, and optionally tape and a marker to label once you're done. So the first step is you want to clean off the lid of your jar. You want it to be sterile. You don't want anything on the top of the lid getting into it. Then you're also going to need to sterilize the needle when you're going to inject it. So you are going to take the lid off the needle. You're going to keep it away from your face so that if you're talking, it doesn't get onto the needle. You will heat it until it is red hot. I should really be wearing my glasses for this. Once it's red hot, you will wipe it with the alcohol again. Again, away from your face. You're going to insert the needle into the jar and you're going to squirt it down the side. We like to use about a milliliter. These are 3 milliliter syringes, so you'll use about a third. Again, you will sterilize with your lighter. It's going to sizzle, and you'll wipe it with your isopropyl alcohol and put the cap back on. Once you've done that, optionally wipe the lid, and you can label it. Today we did blue oyster. I like to put the date. And if you have multiple ways that you are transferring culture or grain into your jars, you might also like to label it with the way that you transferred your fungus into the jar. So it was liquid culture, open air. And it is 4:15. Let it sit for about 2 weeks. Once it has colonized down the side, you can shake it up to disperse. It'll colonize faster throughout. You'll know it's colonized when you turn it upside down and it doesn't fall. Give the blizzard test.